In real estate, 80% of agents are horrible. 19% of agents sell a lot, but are mediocre at best. And then there's that top 1%. They always put clients above their commission. They always put a premium on superior customer service. They get the job done no matter what. If you're interested in working with the top 1%, there's only one group of brokers to call. But don't take our word for it. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Real Estate Redefined. I present to you the top 1%. I present to you